This Makita 10-inch table saw was described by the testers from Conestoga College as nice and sturdy. It incorporates well-designed, quick-release safety features and is the only saw tested to include an electric brake on the blade. A nice feature of the stand is that it has 4 different height settings. One notable flaw is the bubble that magnifies the measurements on the fence. If you're not looking directly down on it, distortion could put your cutout by as much as 1/4 of an inch. This saw retails for approximately $639 and comes with a 1-year warranty.